Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby.
Hey everyone, welcome back. If this is your first time here, my name is Nia and this channel is dedicated to inspiring the everyday busy mom. So if you enjoy cleaning, organization, and lifestyle videos, stick around by subscribing and clicking the bell notification. Today I'm going to share a healthy spin on your classic lasagna dish that is carb-free and delicious. I will have the exact recipe listed below in case you guys would like to recreate this one for your family. So lately I've been trying to lose some weight and get back into shape, and reducing my carb intake works best for me. I've always loved trying different recipes and switching things up, and when you take carbs out, you definitely have to be creative with your meals. So when I saw this recipe on Pinterest, I knew I wanted to give it a try. So really, the only big difference that we're doing here is we're replacing the lasagna noodles with some cabbage leaves. I am still using ground beef, but if you want it to be even healthier, you can definitely use some ground turkey. I've cooked with ground turkey a million times. You do have to season it a bit more than you would ground beef, but it still turns out great. Once it's finished and it's come to a boil, it's time to add in some basil leaves. And again, this is something that you can skip if you would like. The great thing about cooking is that you can do whatever it is that you like. If there's a certain seasoning that you like, go in and add this. This is going to be your dish and you make it however you would like.
Give me all your love, all your love, all your love.
Now it's time to put it all together. I'm going to drizzle a bit of olive oil to the bottom of the pan, and then I'm going to begin to add a bit of meat sauce. Lay in some of your cabbage leaves, add a little bit more meat sauce, and then top it off with the regatta mixture and some cheese. You want to continue adding these layers and then pop it in the oven to cook.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this.
So while that is cooking in the oven, I figured I would do a quick cleanup of my kitchen. I'm not going to lie, there are definitely days that once I'm finished cooking, I just want to throw everything into the sink and go lay down or just relax, to be honest. But today I definitely wanted to tackle this kitchen. I didn't want to leave it for later on. Let me know if you guys are the same way. Do you tend to clean up right after you're finished cooking, or do you take a minute and maybe save it for later on in the night?
Because there ain't nobody love you like I do. told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
By this time, the lasagna was finished cooking. The good thing is that it didn't really take too long. I was really just waiting for the cheese to melt on the top and on each layer. So while that cooled down, I figured it would be the best time to finish cleaning up the kitchen and also finally get a chance to mopping this floor. It is so disgusting and I cannot stand even looking at it any longer. But I love this recipe, guys. This is definitely something that you guys are going to absolutely love. And also, if you have a couple of picky eaters or maybe nobody else in your family is trying to eat healthy as well, they are not going to miss out on the flavor of this lasagna.
You if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 baby. Dance, 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 baby. Piece by piece, that's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving through the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speeding.